Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome in grade 3. Today I am going to teach you Countdown Book 3. Here is your Countdown Book 3 third edition. So let's open Countdown Book 3 and Science Workbook for Maths Planner. Today date is 3rd June 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Before start work, let's recite dua Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Unit number 1, numbers. What are the numbers? In this unit, we will learn how to write and read the numbers up to 6 digit and the place value up to 6 digit, write and read Roman numbers up to 20, etc. And these are the points which you have already learned in previous class, up to 3 digit numbers, how to read and write. Here are some key vocabulary words which we'll also learn in this unit. Move on next page. Page number 2, even numbers. What are the even numbers? Even numbers always end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are exactly divided by 2. The numbers which are exactly divided by 2 are called the even numbers, or the numbers which end with the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. And numbers which are not exactly divided by 2 and the numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the odd numbers. Here are some examples. 62, 84, 90, 10, 76. Look, the number end with 2, 4, 0, 0, 6. It means these are all the even numbers because unit digit is even. 62, in 62, 2 is the unit digit and 6 is the tens digit. So, unit digit is even, whole number is even. In this 31, unit digit is 1 and the 3 is tens digit. Unit digit is odd, so it means whole number is odd. 45, look, unit digit is odd, so whole number 45 is odd. Circle the odd numbers. 41, 42, 43, 44. Look at the number with end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers because unit digit is odd. 1 is odd, so whole 41 is odd. 2 is even, so whole 42 is even. 43, 3, unit digit is 3 which is odd. It means whole number 43 is odd. Write even numbers from 30 to 45. 30 ending with 0, it means this is even number. But in 31, ending number is 1 or unit digit is 1 which is odd number. It means 31 is odd. We don't write this. 32, 32 in 32, 2 is unit digit and unit digit is even number, 2 is even number, so whole number is even. Doesn't matter 3 is even or odd. 3 is also odd, but you have to look unit digit. Unit digit is even, so it means whole number is even. Or number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. Counting or counting 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, they have special name called Arabic numerals. Firstly invented in India and then by Arab traders passed to the rest of the world, so it contains the name Arabic numerals. But before these Arabic numerals, people also use counting, people also use numerals. They are called Romans because invented by Romans. Romans used these 7 letters to the alphabet to represent numbers. I for 1, V for 5, they wrote X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. They had no idea about the 0, so 0 is not here, and they have no write the letter about 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. They just use 1, 5, 10, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. So it's little bit different how to write 2, 3, 4, but we will learn this. Look at this. Have you ever seen this type of clock or watch or this type of content? Unit I, unit double I, unit triple I, unit IV. These are the Roman symbols. These are the Roman symbols. When Romans wrote 1 to 10, their special symbols, they did it like this. I for 1, double I for 2, triple I for 3, IV for 4, V for 5, VI for 6, V double I for 7, V triple I for 8, IX for 9 and X for 10. When they write 3, double I for 3, why they don't write 4I for 4? They used IVVI. Look, both the symbols contain same symbols IVVI, but in different order. How to write 4 and how to write 6? They used two rules. Rule number 1, smaller value symbol before greater value, subtract smaller from greater. Rule number 2, smaller value symbol after greater value, add smaller to greater. We will learn from this. IV. I for 1, V for 5. This is not 15. We read rule number 1. Smaller value symbol before greater value. When smaller value comes before greater values, subtract smaller from greater. You have to subtract smaller from greater. 5 minus 1, 4. That is IV. And for VI, V means 5, I means 1. This is not 51. Rule number 2, smaller value symbol after greater value, add smaller to greater. When smaller value symbol means I comes after greater value symbol. When I comes after V, it means you have to add these two digits. 5 plus 1, 6. That is I, V, I. 4 IV and 6 VI. Here is the challenge for you. Ix minus V, V plus Ix, X minus double I. Ix means 9 and V means 5. Ix means 9, V means 5. You have to subtract 5 minus 9. Here V for 5, Ix for 9, you have to add 5 plus 9. X for 10 and 2, double I for 2, so you have to subtract 2 minus 10, 2 from 10. This is all about today's lecture. You have to do practice how to write, learn and how to convert Arabic into Roman numbers. What are the evens and what are the odd number. Tomorrow